Hello friends, today we are going to learn a poem of 10th English 2.1 You Start Dying Slowly. It is written by the Nobel Prize winning poet Pablo Neruda. This is a free verse poem, which means it has no rhyme scheme. The title You Start Dying Slowly. What does it indicate? Obviously, it indicates we stop living fully, dying slowly, which means losing hope of a happy future. The poet tells us that if you do not do mentioned things, you start dying slowly. The theme of the poem is to inspire and motivate readers. The poet doesn't want anybody to lose hope of a happy future. Students, it is the beginning of your career, so the poet expects that you should follow his advice to make your future happy. So let's start. If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. If you do not travel, the word travel means to go from one place to another. We all know that life is a journey and we are travelers. The poet tells the people to come out of their shells and travel different places and experience new things. He further suggests us to read. It is well said in Marathi, वाचाल तर वाचाल. The poet says so because the world is too big and our life is so small. So it is difficult to see and get all experiences in life. So to see and feel the unseen, we must read something all the time. तुमच्या सर्व भाषा प्रश्नपत्रिकांमध्ये रायटिंग स्किल्सचा प्रश्न आहेच. ज्या विद्यार्थ्यांना वाचनाची आवड आहे, इनफॅक्ट जे विद्यार्थी रोज विविध विषयांचे वाचन करतात, ते निश्चितच हा प्रश्न चांगला सोडवू शकतील. सो read every day because it broadens your knowledge. In the third line, the poet asks us to listen to the sounds of life. That is, to listen and understand the moods of life. We know that listening is an art. जीवनाचे आवाज ऐकणं म्हणजे काय? It means or it may include listening to noise, listening to music, and listening to the music of nature. That means chirping of birds, sounds of waterfalls and wind. विद्यार्थ्यांनो, यामध्ये एक सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा आणि आवश्यक आवाज ऐकायला शिकलं पाहिजे आणि तो म्हणजे साऊंड ऑफ सायलेन्स. वी मस्ट लर्न टू लिसन टू द सायलेन्स. In simple words, we must listen to ourselves from within. ज्याला स्वतःच्या मनाचा आवाज समजू शकेल, तो जीवनात कायम यशस्वी होईल. If you do not appreciate yourself, appreciate, which means recognize the quality. Many people have the habit of blaming themselves. I'm short, tall, fat, dark, lazy, unlovable, alone, and the list goes on. स्वतःला असं सतत कोसत राहण्यापेक्षा तुम्ही जर म्हटलं, येस, आय एम स्मार्ट, स्ट्रॉंग, कॉन्फिडंट, हंबल, हार्ड वर्कर, ट्रस्टवर्दी, देन सी द पॉझिटिव्ह चेंज. जर तुम्ही परीक्षेच्या आधी खूप अभ्यास केला आणि उत्तम गुण मिळाले किंवा एखाद्या गरजू व्यक्तीला निस्वार्थपणे मदत केली, तर स्वतःला शाबासकी द्यायला विसरू नका. कारण इफ यू डू नॉट ॲप्रिशिएट अवरसेल्व्स फॉर अवर गुड डीड्स अँड फेल टू प्रेज and encourage ourselves, then how can we get encouragement from others? Students, when we fail to do these things, we start dying slowly. Next stanza. When you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. Self-esteem, which means feeling of being happy with your own qualities and abilities. आत्मप्रतिष्ठा, आत्मगौरव. वर्ण, धर्म, जात, वंश कुणालाही उच्च किंवा नीच बनवू शकत नाही. But as a human being, when we really think we are inferior to others, we lose our self-esteem. जर आपण स्वतःचा मान राखला नाही तर दुसऱ्यांकडून काय अपेक्षा करणार? It is well said. Respect yourself and others will respect you. That is why we must not lose our self-esteem. Friends, we all know that man is a social animal. But when we don't mix in society and stop people coming near us, naturally we stop them from helping us. पण आपल्याला समाजात राहायचं असेल तर दुसऱ्यांना मदत केली पाहिजे आणि दुसऱ्यांकडून मदतही घेतली पाहिजे. इट इज द लॉ ऑफ अवर सोसायटी टू गिव्ह अँड टू टेक. सो इफ वी डू नॉट लेट अदर्स हेल्प अस, वी अवरसेल्व्स क्लोज ऑल डोर्स ऑफ होप. These things make us negative and we start dying slowly. If you become slave of your habits, walking every day on the same paths, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to them, you don't know, you start dying slowly. Slave of your habits. आपण म्हणतो ना, सवयीचे गुलाम. Habits, especially bad habits, जसं watching television, playing mobile games, telling lies, being addicted to smoking and drinking. तरुण मुलांमधली व्यसनाधीनता हा एक मोठा चिंतेचा विषय आहे सध्या. These habits are so easy to have in our lives. आणि मग व्यक्ती हळूहळू या वाईट सवयींचा गुलाम बनत जातो. Which in the end can harm us a lot. In fact, destroy us. On the other hand, good habits are really difficult to follow in the beginning. आपल्याला माहिती आहे आपण वाईट सवयी पटकन शिकतो, पण चांगल्या सवयी अंगीकाराला खूप वेळ लागतो. But friends, once we have them, they are really great. चांगल्या सवयी आपले व्यक्तिमत्व संपन्न बनवण्यासाठी आणि भविष्य उज्ज्वल करण्यासाठी मदत करत असतात. Poet asks us to change the old paths. Means to change the attitude of our inner self. जगाकडे पाहण्याची आपण जर दृष्टी बदलली तर जीवनातील प्रत्येकच गोष्ट आनंददायी होईल. It may be things related to the life or career. As a colorful butterfly gets mixed in nature, we must wear new colors and get mixed in society or the world around us. Here color does not mean red, yellow or orange. इथे रंग म्हणजे विविध भावना, like joys and sorrows, ups and downs, good and bad. आपण या रंगांना ओळखलं पाहिजे. To get all this, we must speak to the known and the unknown. It will explore life. विचारांचे आदान प्रदान केल्याशिवाय आपण नवनवीन गोष्टींचे ज्ञान मिळवूच शकणार नाही. And if we fail to do this, our life would be boring, means we start dying slowly. Next stanza. If you avoid to feel passion under turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. Passion, which means strong emotion, determination. Turbulent means unsteady, full of ups and downs. प्रक्षुब्ध, अस्थिर भावना. All of us do have dreams and ambitions. हेही तितकंच खरं आहे की प्रत्येक व्यक्ती त्याच्या स्वभावानुसार, क्षमतेनुसार स्वप्न बघत असतो. जसं एखाद्या विद्यार्थ्याचं स्वप्न असेल, मी वर्गात, शाळेत नाही तर बोर्डात पहिला येईन. एखाद्या ट्रेकिंग करणाऱ्या व्यक्तीचं स्वप्न असेल की एक दिवस मी माउंट एव्हरेस्ट चढेन. Dreams, we feel them, and if we try to get them. When one becomes successful after chasing the dreams, he knows how consistent efforts are needed. त्या स्वप्न पूर्ण होणाऱ्याला माहीत असतं की स्वप्नपूर्तीसाठी आवश्यकता असते ती सतत प्रयत्नांची आणि त्यातून निर्माण होणाऱ्या अस्थिर भावनांची. Which makes our heart beat fast and shine our eyes, is worth remembering. कारण स्वप्न पूर्ण झाल्यावर जी डोळ्यात चमक असते आणि जो मनाला आनंद असतो तो काही औरच. Friends, we know that the feeling of success and the taste of success is the best in the world. When we avoid our emotions, we start dying slowly. If you do not change your life, when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice, you start dying slowly. If we do not change our routine, our life becomes monotonous and boring. आपण म्हणतो त्याच रुटीनचा कंटाळा आलाय. So we need a change. But friends, it is necessary that one must do the job of his or her liking only. Otherwise, it becomes burden. आपल्याला माहिती आहे, आवडीचा जॉब नसेल तर निश्चितच व्यक्तीला त्याचं ओझं वाटायला लागतं. जसं आपल्याला एखादा विषय आवडत नसेल तर तो शिकणं आपल्याला नकोसं वाटतं. म्हणून करिअर चूज करताना सुद्धा आवडीनुसारच निवडलं पाहिजे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, वन फेमस ॲक्टर इन मराठी प्लेज अँड मूव्हीज practiced as doctor till the age of 40. Then he realized that his real love is acting and not medicines. Then he started acting and got praise from the world. But till the age of 40 years, he was unsatisfied as a doctor and the actor within him was restless. आता तुम्हाला प्रश्न पडला असेल, कोण आहे हा अभिनेता? शोधा कोण. But many people do not dare to change their way because they don't want to take risks. Students, because we don't want to come out of our comfort zone. बऱ्याच जणांना आरामात राहण्याची इतकी सवय लागते की ते रिस्क घ्यायला तयार नसतात. जीवनात एकदा तरी आपल्याला स्वप्नांचा पाठलाग करता आला पाहिजे आणि ते पूर्ण करण्यासाठी पडेल ते कष्ट करण्याची तयारी ठेवली पाहिजे. तरच ती व्यक्ती आपले स्वप्न पूर्ण करू शकेल. At last, the poet tells us to run away from sensible advice. सध्या आपल्याला माहित आहे, सल्ला देणाऱ्यांची संख्या खूप आहे आणि त्याला आपल्याला काही किंमत मोजावी लागत नाही. Because it is free and free. At least once in our lifetime, if we do not allow ourselves to run away from sensible advice, then you start dying slowly and surely, not from outside, but from inside, you will die. That is for sure. But friends, if you follow the advice given by the poet, you will be successful in your life and never lose hope of your happy future life. Thank you.